Alrighty, this is just a quick walkthrough for the form that you will use to update the Hive Mind app. So you'll find this in an announcement on Google Classroom. It's in the Introducing the Hive Mind announcement. The form is linked there, as well as a direct link to use your phone to download the app. There is a QR code within the app that you can use to, or within this link, to add to a home screen. But this link will also get you there. And then when you launch the form, this is how the data in the app actually gets updated. It is not a teacher-created housing source. This is a student-created study tool where students from different blocks can get to listen in and learn from students they don't normally get to work with because we have like books all across blocks. I thought it made sense for everyone to kind of mutually benefit from that. So the form itself is very straightforward. All you do is select which book it is that you are reading. So let's go Harry Potter. And then you get to the list of questions. You can fill in as many of these or as few of these as you would like per form submission. You can submit the form more than once. The link will always take you back there. And you can submit the same type of thinking. You can submit a different type of thinking anytime. Really, the sky's the limit when it comes to this Hive Mind app, hence the building of the Hive Mind. So really quickly, let's think what makes sense here to add for HP. Let's go ahead and talk about, let's go issues. So I see an issue with the idea of wealth versus poverty. While it is easy to get caught up in the flash of magic, many people may notice that there is a wide gap between those in the wizarding world with money and those without. Harry believes, did it again. He has no money at the start of his journey, only to find that worrying is not really an issue because he has tons of money in Gringotts. Ron, however, is from a large family that can barely make ends meet. We see him reluctantly turning down normal treats on the Hogwarts Express, only to find that Harry is going to look out for him. This is a point of contention. TR1. There we go. This is a point of contention when the first years get to the castle and meet Malfoy, a boy who is very snobby about who has money and who doesn't. Thankfully, learning at Hogwarts semi smooths out the have-nots from the haves. All may find success. And then if I had the book out right in front of me, I would definitely want to back this up with text evidence. I've summarized a lot, but I feel like this would be even stronger if I had multiple pieces of evidence to show for it. I could probably bring in like Hagrid's character is a character who tends to not have a whole lot, and that can also be a point of contention across the novel, just to make sure that it really seems like I'm very clearly finding evidence for this. But even though this is all I have right now, I can go ahead and submit this. And then I would give it just a few seconds. It would eventually start popping up in the app. I wish there was a way that I could show the app screen in addition to my computer screen, but I don't have that cable. And then there it is. It's already popped in just in a few seconds. So then this very easily becomes live for other students to see, and then they can add on to it, whether they're in the classroom together or not. So this app is really only going to be as good as you make it. It's only going to be as useful as you make it. Best of luck. Please don't hesitate to provide feedback if there are things that you really like about the app, something that you would like to see a little bit differently. This is a brand new technology that I've never explored before, and I am very excited to learn more about it.